Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy a domain in Vercel.com. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is come on over to Vercel.com and sign into your account. Now there's a few different ways how we can do this. So we can go ahead and click onto domains here on one of the tabs, or we can click onto a project and then click onto domains. So either way you're going to get to the same section where we need to go. So I'm going to click on domains, and now from here if I want to buy a custom domain for my project I can. So click on buy domain. Now it says find a domain for your passion project. So for example, I want to go ahead and use my channel name, so tutorial Wiz. Now it's going to show us all results here. So it's going to show you the top result. So tutorialwiz.com is taken sadly, but I've got options to get .dev, .app or .io. So say for example, I want to use dev. I want to add that to my basket. And then from here, we can see my cart. So I'm going to click onto my cart. Now I've already put in tutorialwiz.ai in as well. Now from here, basically, we can go ahead and proceed to checkout. Now it's going to give us the option to add in our billing information, so we can add in our credit, Visa, credit card or Amex card, and then just go ahead and fill out the form here, and to the right it's going to give us the total amount in US dollars. So I don't want this tutorial with AI, so I'm going to go ahead and disable that and just put in my card details. And also you can use crypto, so you can go ahead and pay with stable coins. So you go ahead and put in your first name, last name and fill that out and go ahead and buy.